In this video lesson, you will learn how to use the method of symbols or signs when drawing a sitting figure from life.
3 Ways of Life Drawing by Vladimir London. Part 2. Symbol. In this video, we continue to explore different ways of life drawing. This time, you will discover how to use symbols when drawing models. To me, this pose resembles a Japanese character that means direction. The mirror image of this symbol in red coincides with the model's pose. As you see, in this drawing, I did not start with proportions and measurements. Instead, I am actually sketching the sign. In a way, I'm drawing the Japanese character direction, which helps me to portray the model's pose. Of course, you don't have to use Japanese characters. It could be anything you imagine. For now, my interest is in the correct angles of the symbol's lines. I can also use the angles of lines between any 2 points on the body to check if my drawing is correct. When a quick sketch of the sign is in place, it is time to use anatomy. The widest muscle of the back is like a big arrowhead pointing down. It spans from one arm to the other and points to the sacrum. The abdominal muscle and the ribcage define the torso's outline in this view. The trapezius muscle defines the outline here. I draw one continuous virtual line that spans between the spines of the 2 shoulder blades to place them on the same level. In this view, we clearly see the external oblique muscle, which spans from the ribcage to the pelvis. Its flank pad, or abdominal portion, influences the contours of the waist area. The front planes of the knee and the foot are situated parallel to each other. We will come back to this drawing in the next video lesson to render tonal values.